Hello everyone, welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. In the previous video, we discussed about how we are going to display by the product name, quantity and discount, and how we are going to make it as a required for the product name and the quantity. And we discussed about how we are going to align to the side by side to the these fields, and along with that is we have to display by the add product and save products buttons. So now in this video, we are going to discuss about how we are going to capture by the user selected details. For example, they are going to select by the any one of this product, quantity and discount rate. So how we are going to capture first this information? Let's see. So come to the here, each one we have to write. So we have to take it by the on change. So here we have to take it by the handle change. Same we are giving to the all the fields. So save and come to the here we have to define by the button, method, handle change, event. So save. So we can hold by the product name, quantity and discount rate. So that's why here we have to define the fields. So here product name, quantity, discount, save. Let's come to the here. We have to take it by the constant C name equals to event dot target dot name and constant dot C dot value equals to event dot target dot value. So we need to identify the which field they are enter the information, either product name or quantity or discount, right? So that's why here we have defined by the names also for particular field. So here name equals to product name. I'm giving all the small letters. We can give it the any names, but I'm giving to the here all the small letters, quantity, and here name equals to discounts. So based on this name, we can identify the which data they are entered. So for example, if they are entered the, so C name equals to product name. So we have to capture by the in the product name. So this dot product name equals to C value. So similar way, so else if C name equals to quantity. So quantity equals to, so here C value. Let's save and come to the else if. So here C name equals to, so let's give to the here discount. And discount equals to, so we have to the C value. Okay, so based on that, here we have to capture by the information. This is, let's save this. So let's see the in the console log dot log, we have to check it by the input what we are giving to this one. So here we have the product name. So this dot product name, quantity. So this dot quantity, and next one is the discount. I'm not going to take in by the separate console log. One console log I taken by the all the values. This dot. So here we have to the discount. Let's go save. Let's deploy this one. We can check it. So let's come to the here. We have the refresh by the page. So come to the here. We have to take it by the this one. So here we have to take it by the 2 quantity 2 add products. So once sorry on change rate on change only automatically it is called by this one inspect element console. See here product name actually we are select by the MacBook, but it is showing the record ID, and quantity is the 2 and discount is the 2. Quantity, discount, and both we have the appear in a product name also. But as of the requirement, we have to get it by the product name, right? Instead of that is we have to display here. See here, this is we have to display by the product name. But here we are getting the product ID. So how we are going to display instead of the record ID, we have to display by the name, right? Always lookup fields hold by the backend is the IDs only. In front end, it is displayed by the namings. So how we are going to capture that is we can discuss. So let's create the one Apex class. We need to fetch it by the product details. Actually, we are hold by the product ID, right? So that's why here we have to fetch the product details from the Apex class. So let's create the one Apex class. So create lightning web Apex class. So here we have the sales order controller. We have to take it by the class name. So in this class, we have to take it by the get the product information. So click on to the here at the rate aura enabled get product data. So here string is product ID. So we have to the API name of the product ID. So let's come to the here sales product. So this is the product API name. So come to the here product SP equals to select ID comma name comma price. We have the required price also auto populated. So that's why here from sales product, this is the API name I'm taking by the price. So now come to the here, which record we want, which is the product ID, that record information. So here we have to the, so where ID equals to, so we have to the yes product ID. Let's save, and we have the return by the product information return. So save. So instead of this string, we have to give it by this one. So let's save and deploy. So come to the our JS. So here we have to import get product data. So this is the our class name and this is the our method name. So save. Here we have to take it by the one method handle product data. So here we have to, this is the our product data, right? So here product data. This is the parameterized method. So here also we can change it by the, here actually we are rolled by the product ID, right? We can change it by the product ID. This is also. product ID. This one also we have to change it by the product ID. And here we have to give it to the product ID. So then this product ID passed to the our Apex class. Then we have to capture by the result. So now here we have to capture by the at the same time error message if we are getting any. So now here we have to hold by the result. Actual Apex class is written by the our sales product information. So how we are going to capture that is, so here we have to take it by the one property product data. So let's come to the here product data equals to result. Let's save this one. Okay. So here we have to get it by our product information. In this we have the ID, name and price. We have all the information. So like this we are going to fetch it from the database. So this method we need to call it, right? When we want to call it this method, when we have to select it by the product ID. So this one here we have to handle call this method automatically. No need to separate click onto any. When they are selecting by the product name, automatically called by this one. So here we have to check it console.log product data plus JSON dot stringify. So this dot product data save and deploy this one. Okay, let's see. So now come to the here. We have the refresh by the page. So once we can select by the any one of the products. So here quantity, when we are selecting the product now automatically called by the handle product method. See here. So product undefined is coming actually. Why it is coming by the undefined by the product name. Product name undefined, quantity discount is fine, and here this dot product ID. Product name we have taken this is and the handle product data. When this is calling the method, this dot product ID we are passing. Result this dot console.log this dot product data we have defined by the product data as well property product ID. So I think we deployed this one also, right? So product ID sales product object. Let's see the open by the developer console. We can see. Any issue, we can check it by the in the logs. So come to the here. We have the refresh by the page. So let's select by the any one of the product. Product name is the undefined. Okay, so let's come to the here. Temporary variable. So here it is written by the product name, price and quantity. Sorry, name, price. This is written by the correctly. There is no issue from the Apex class side. So come to the here after retrieving the data here might be the problem. get product data, then result this dot product data. So this dot product data here. This is also be defined. Product result, we have the capture by the, then here this is also be defined. Product ID. Let's see the error block. So save and deploy. JSON dot stringify this dot product data. Yeah. Let's see here. We have the refresh by the page. So product data, actually it is defined by the undefined, that is product name. So product data, undefined error, it is coming actually. Error block is coming, but it is getting by the undefined. So here we have the result. So our Apex class is the written by the SP. So this is the here, right? SP record, it is written. So created record, why it is not hold by the result, we can see. Let's deploy it. So refresh by the page. So error is not coming, but it is showing the undefined. This is showing the undefined. So here, let's take to the console, to the here. Result. So save and deploy. Let's see. Refresh by the page. Now it is coming by the product data. Here it is fine. Result is coming by the properly. Okay. Our properly coming by the product data here. And dot this is product name. Result is coming properly, but this is the we have not populated. Let's see. Result, save and deploy. Actually, it is written by the ID, name, and price, product data. So we have the refresh by the page. Now it's getting, there is no any issue. We don't know what is the problem. Okay, so like this, we have to get it by the ID, name, and price. ID, name, and price. So we are getting by the product ID, name, and price. So once we are adding to the here, we have to display it by the product name. So how we are going to add it by the in the table format, and we can see the in the next video. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you.